Hello, I'm Becca May, and I'm part of the TOUGHBOOK European marketing team. And today, I'd like to talk to you about the TOUGHBOOK L1. The TOUGHBOOK L1 is a fully rugged 7-inch tablet based on the Qualcomm Snapdragon CPU on Android 8.1 operating system. But what does fully rugged mean? It means it has a 1.50 m drop, IP67, which is dust and water protection, and is also vibration resistant. The device has been designed for the professional workforce, allowing for full shift battery life. However, if you need longer than this, it has a warm swap replaceable battery, allowing for uninterrupted operations. The device is also used in quick service restaurants for queue busting, whilst also supporting reading loyalty cards. The L1 offers an optional barcode reader. It can be used in logistics and warehouse environments. The TOUGHBOOK L1 touchscreen can be used in many different ways: finger mode, glove mode, pen mode like I have here, and it can also be operated in the rain. As the L1 is aimed at professional markets, we've also created a professional ecosystem range, starting with a single device charger here. We also have the 5-bay cradle to allow for charging and updating devices. We also have the rotating hand strap to allow for easy operation while holding the device. Thank you very much for taking the time for watching this short video. Please stay tuned for further videos from the TOUGHBOOK team.